Hi, and welcome to the third session of my YouTube Agile seminar. In the last session, we talked about the project, features of a project, and the term project management. In this session, the word Agile is the center of attention. I will be talking about the features of Agile and the relationship of Agile to project management. We will also be comparing Agile with the traditional approach of project management. So, what is Agile? Agile is an approach to project management. It helps to deliver the value to the stakeholders faster and closer to their expectations. There are four essential features of Agile: adaptable, iterative, time box, and incremental. Adaptable means listening to the stakeholders and doing the expected change. The Agile team must expect that the change is on their way and it could arrive anytime. Iterative. It refers to the cyclic or repetitive rules that are applied in Agile to complete the work. Time box. Agile usually works in the limited time scope. A frequency is determined to ensure the delivery of the project. This also helps to predict the completion time. Incremental. It means the small changes, one after another, to come closer to reality to meet the expectation of the stakeholders. Now, let's see what was happening before Agile, or how Agile is different from the traditional approach of project management. The traditional approach is also known as the Waterfall Model. The number of steps remains same in both the cases, but the process is different. The Waterfall Model is the step-by-step process to complete a project. You first plan for the project. Once your plan completes, that's when you move to design, and when you are ready with the design, you start development. The development completion is then followed by the next set of activities. However, in Agile, the effect of concurrency came into picture. Based on the level of understanding, at a point in time, the Agile recommends initiating the best possible decisions or activities. The idea is not to stop or wait. Please feel free to pause the video here to learn more about these approaches. Let's take an example of the car manufacturing process. If we consider the waterfall model, the manufacturing team will plan, design, develop, and test the car before delivering it to the customers. These steps are sequential or one after another. In the Agile approach, various teams at the car manufacturing factory will start working separately and concurrently. While the paints team is experimenting with the quality of the paints, the design team is working on their designs with various stakeholders. At the same time, the engine team is focused on tuning the mileage and the dimensions of the engine. So in Agile, the activities are turned minimalist, and people need to work concurrently by reducing dependency over each other while maintaining communication and adapting to any expected changes. The biggest difference in Agile is the change adaptation. In the traditional model, frequent changes were discouraged. However, with Agile, the teams are flexible to make changes much faster with higher accuracy. Also, the time to make innovative products has come down. More than anything else, the stakeholders are seeing their ideas turning into reality in much lesser time. And that is why the term Agile was selected for this type of project management approach. Along with the pros, there are some cons of Agile as well. As Agile is the process of delivering faster, the planning may not get sufficient time. I have seen cases where a task assigned to a team member went into the block state in the initial days of the time box. And why did it happen? Just because of poor planning. teams don't have sufficient time to plan for the start of the next time box. And the teams are using the first few days of the time box for planning, which is not a recommended practice in Agile. Teams in Agile are recommended to be small, from 7 to 10 members. So if the team is new or it doesn't have sufficient knowledge or skills, Agile is going to take more time in delivering the project. Agile is focused on deliverables, so the team. Because of this, the team may miss on comprehensive documentation, which is mandatory for the delivery of the project. To cover up on this, people often create tasks just for preparing documentations. And now we have come to the end of this session. I hope I have done valuable addition to your knowledge today. In the next session, we will be diving deep into the Agile world. Thanks a lot for joining me again. Please do hit the like and subscribe button. Do share the sessions with others so that they also learn along with us. See you in the next interesting session of Being Agile. Bye-bye.